a two-digit number AB is 60% of X. The two-digit by reversing the digit of AB is 60% of Y. More than X. Find X. So that is the two-digit number is AB. So this digit is 60% of X. So how I can write this AB as 10A plus B. How do I write 12? 1 into 10 plus 2 into 1, face value into place value plus face value into place value, correct? So AB I can write it as 10A plus B. So I have been given 10A plus B is 60 upon 100x. And when I am reversing the digit becomes BA, which means the number becomes 10B plus A. Now 10B plus A is 60% more than X, which means 10B plus A is 160 upon 100x. That's what is given to me. So if I divide both these numbers, I get 10A plus B upon 10B plus A as 3 by 8, which means 80A plus 8B is 30B plus 3A. 77A is equal to 22B. So A upon B is 2 upon 7. I will cut it by 11. So this is the ratio of the two digits. Now the ratio could be anything, right? It could be 4 by 14, 8 by 28. But since A and B are digits, I think these are the digits, because if I increase the ratio by 4 by 14, 14 cannot be a digit, right? A digit can be up to 9. So, which means my number itself is 27. Understood this concept? So, if my number is 27, it is 60% of X. I have to find X, right? 3 by 5, 9. So, X is 9 into 5, 45. So, answer is 45. Absolutely clear. Important concept here was because I got A upon B as 2 by 7, the ratio of two digits as 2 by 7. So this has to be the ratio, because A has to be 2 and B has to be 7, because the ratio can be 4 by 14 also, but the digit cannot be 14. Digit has to be a single digit from 0 to 9. That's why my number itself has to be 27. Then I could find AB by, with the given condition, it is 60% of X. Okay, let's move ahead. If A is 75% less than B and C is 75% of difference between A and B, C is what percentage more than A? So again we have been given A, B, C, correct? A is 75% less than B, which means if B is 100, A is 25. Clear? And C is 75% of the difference between A and B. So what is the difference between A and B? 75. And C is 75% of 75. So what is 75% of 75? 75 into 75 by 100. This will be 3. This will be 4. So 225 upon 4. So this is what the value of C is. Now C is what percentage more than A? So C is 225 upon 4 minus 25 more than 25. This will be 4. This will be 4 into 100, so 125 upon 4. So C is what percentage more than A? It is 125% more than A. Clear? Actually, if you can see 225 upon 4, if I calculate on calculator, is 56.25. So 25 and 56.25, 56.25 is 125% more than C. Okay, let's move ahead. Two numbers are less than third number by 37% and 30% respectively. What is the second number more than first? So let us say we have been given three numbers A, B and C, and the reference is the third number. So I will assume third number as 100. And one is less by 37% and another is less by 30. So this should be 70 and this should be 63. What is the second number more than first? The second number is B. It is more than first by 7. 7 over 63 into 100. The more by 7 with respect to A, 63, 9. So 100 upon 9. So 100 upon 9 can be written as 11, 1 by 9% is the answer. Okay. So next sum goes like A is 150% of B and B is 40% of C. If A plus B plus C is 20, then what is the value of 2B plus 3C minus 4A? Okay. Let us figure that out. So let me write A, B and C. If I take C as 100, B is 40% of C, it becomes 40. And A is 150% of B. So 100% is 40 plus 50% is 20. So it should be 60. 40 plus 20, 60. 150% of B. So the ratio becomes 3:2:5 if I actually take the ratio. So the sum of the ratio is 10. Actual quantity sum is given as 20. The value of 1 is 2, which means A is 6, B is 4 and C is 10. I have to find the value of 2B, that is 2B is 8 plus 3C, that is plus 30 minus 4A, that is 24. So 38 minus 24, 14 is the answer for this sum. Understood? Absolutely clear. 11/5 of a number. So let us go to the next sum. 11/5 of a number A is 22% of number B. The number B is 2.5% of number C. If value of C is 5,500, then sum of 80% of A and 40% of B is. So let us first try to formulate the equations. 11/5 of a number A is 22%, that is 22 by 100 of B, which means I can find the ratio of A to B here. So ratio of A is to B is 1:10 here, right? And the second equation given is number B is 2.5 upon 100 of C. So B is 1 upon 25,024, 1 upon 40 of C. So the ratio of B is to C is 1:40 and A is to B I got as 1:10, correct? Now if I have to merge these two ratios, I'll have to make B same in both. So B here is 10, B here is 1. So I will multiply this by 10 here. So the ratio becomes A is to B is to C will become 1:10:400, correct? Now the value of 400, which is C, in terms of ratio is 400, but in terms of quantity is 5,500. So this 2 will get cancelled. So value of 4 is 55. So value of 1 will be 55 upon 4. And value of 10 would be 550 upon 4. Correct? Which means A is 1, which is 55 upon 4. And B is 550 upon 4. So what I have been asked to find 80% of A. So 80% of A is 80% is 4 by 5 in terms of fraction of 55 by 4 plus 40% of B. So 40% is 2 by 5 and B is 550 upon 4. Right? So this 4 will get cancelled, this 5 will get cancelled, this is 11, this will get cancelled 2, this will get cancelled 110, this is 55, 55 plus 11 is 66. So answer to this question is 66. Again, if you see, I use converting percentages to fraction, which made my calculation simpler. So dear students, please connect with me on my WhatsApp channel. If you have any doubts, I'll be happy to solve them, or keep me motivated by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.